Group Assignments Explained, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the concept of group assignments. This is a common term used in educational settings, particularly in English-speaking countries. Understanding this phrase will not only help you in your studies but also in collaborating effectively with others. A group assignment refers to a task or project assigned to a group of students or participants, rather than to individuals. This concept emphasizes teamwork, collaboration, and collective responsibility. In a group assignment, each member contributes their skills and knowledge to achieve a common goal. It's a great way to learn not just about the subject, but also about communication and teamwork. In this section, let's discuss the key features of group assignments. Collaboration, working together to achieve a common goal. Division of labor, assigning different tasks to different group members. Communication, regular discussions and updates among group members. Collective responsibility, each member is accountable for the group's success. Group assignments come with their own set of benefits and challenges. Benefits: enhances teamwork skills, exposes you to diverse perspectives, and improves problem-solving abilities. Challenges: potential for unequal participation, conflicts in scheduling, and differing work styles. To make the most of a group assignment, consider these tips. Communicate effectively. Keep in touch with your group regularly. Divide tasks fairly. Ensure everyone has a role that suits their strengths. Be open to ideas. Listen to and respect different viewpoints. Meet regularly. Schedule regular meetings to track progress. Group assignments are a vital part of the learning experience, teaching you much more than just the subject matter. They prepare you for teamwork in real-world settings and enhance your communication skills. We hope this video helps you understand and excel in your next group assignment. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.